Alright guys, how's it going? Just a quickie on belts here. I got a pretty decent gun belt here. I've been wearing it for over 10 years. And look at that, that's where it gave up. Gave up the ghost right there. So we're gonna... My belt, I fasten it here, so I've got that much overhang. So I'm figuring I'm just gonna cut this off and re-put the buckle back on a bit further back and get some more use out of it. But I did purchase another belt when this one gave up. I needed something to keep my pants up, and this one came in a nylon bag, and this is the box it comes in. Jukumo, fancy box, $20 belt. Amazon, there will be links below. I haven't worn enough to know how good it is, other than I like it right now, you know, but we'll see how it is over a long period of time. But if you're interested in these belts, I just want to point out a couple of things I don't clear on Amazon adverts. All right, it's one of these that you push them in, yeah, like the old school seatbelt sort of thing. And this is all metal. I don't know what kind of metal, but yeah, I don't know how long these have got springs in. I don't know how long they're gonna last. Hopefully a long time. Some of the reviews say they've had them years, but what I will show you about this belt, if you're interested in this kind of belt. Right. So this is how it comes, yeah, separate like that. So to use the belt, you got to threadle this all the way through your loops, your belt loops. Now the buckle will not go through your belt loops, so you have to take that end of the buckle off. But I don't know, if you change your trousers or jeans every day, I probably wouldn't recommend it. It'll be a pain in the ass, but I don't. So these are for my, well, my work pants. Alright, so we got these little notches here. This actually grips really good, so you just thread it through there to where you normally have it and snap down, that's it. But you got to threadle this through your belt loops, right? And there is a little thing here for the slack that you have left over. I like a good bit of leftover belt, you know, because you can use a belt for other things in an emergency. Anyway, that's that. 20 bucks, links below if that floats your boat. Like I say, I like it so far. What I didn't know is it's elasticated, and you know, it is pretty elasticated, which I like. I like it. When you're a bigger guy like me with the big old gut here, stretching it and clipping it works good, keeps your pants up. All right, let's get back to this one. I'm just gonna cut off that spare and take out the Chicago screws. See if we can save this belt. I hope so. And I'm cutting that off like that, because I already tried taking these out and they're just spinning. They're just spinning, so we're gonna cut them out and take them apart. Alright, buckle. This belt has lasted me a good amount of time. It was, it's not from a big company, it's just from a kind of a one-man band that makes belts. And if you carry a gun on your belt, this was ideal. Alright, coming out. These are good. These are really impressed with the JSWS 16-in-1 multi-tool. I will do a video on that at a later date, but I am impressed with it. I'll compare it to the Leatherman too. Might be surprised at which one I prefer. Right. Well, spoiler, I prefer that. Alright, so we've got one Chicago screw. Alright guys, there you go. We got the OG belt back in action. There we go. Yeah, get a bit more life out of it. Alright, thanks for watching guys. If you like that other belt, that Juckmo, whatever that is, links down below. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Catch you later. Yeah, it's still, those that are wondering, I mean I'm going over the other belt, but still tons of room to use the OG belt. Alright, later guys.